Oh, so what are you doing?
Just cocking and reloading, boy.
Goes Hermes.
Oh, dude.
Oh,
Nah, I can't shoot you.
Okay. Lean in.
I'm gonna go one, two, three, four, five, six, seven.
Oh my god, put your hand away, put your hand away. Oh my god, it looks like you got chicken pox. Dead sick. Oh my god.
oh man. Ouch. Where's the pain, man? Where's the pain? Ah! Ah! Tasty.
Okay.
That almost got me in the eye.
Yeah, that was just like, I saw it coming at me.
Yeah. What's your eyes
Good afternoon. Robert, good afternoon.
He's G.
Hola.
Good afternoon,
Hola from Japan.
Mr. Taliban.
Rob about to finish gut, and not getting enough gut, and not getting enough beer. Finish gut, and not getting enough beer. What the fuck? Rob about to finish gut, and not getting enough beer. What the fuck happened then? What are you doing? Just like flip yourself.
Shot myself in the hand in the barrel of the gun. Put my hand over the barrel and shot myself in the hand.
That's just stupid.
We are not Taliban. We are Taliban. We are here to destroy your city.
Okay.
Go forward. No, he's funny. He's walking here.
You got fucking